Alex here with my seventh really quick video on legal nuts and bolts. The topic will be contingency fees. The only thing that I see people getting tripped up on contingency fees is that they don't know why you can't just get one anytime you want one. Contingency fees are offered at the discretion of the attorney, and unless it's an issue where there is a lot of money, you're not going to get one. And I hate to say that, but I guess some people just don't understand why. Contingency fees are typically only taken or offered in like personal injury cases and medical malpractice cases because they involve multi-million-dollar judgments. And so the attorney doesn't mind taking the risk of losing and getting nothing when the chance is a multi-million-dollar judgment of which they can take a big chunk out of. That's the only way you can get a lawyer on contingency. Most of the people that ask about this is because they don't have enough money to get a lawyer on retainer. And that's super common in child custody cases, in divorce cases. But I also see it bleed into other issues like somebody hit my car, somebody towed my car, my boss fired me for stupid reason. There's another one that's big. Oh, my landlord. And these cases, they don't have multi-million-dollar judgments, and so you're not going to get a contingency. So if you can't afford an attorney, you're going to end up representing yourself, which is what I had to do a bunch of times. So anyway, now people will know. I hope more people understand that you can't get contingency fees anytime you want them or from any lawyer. It's just not going to happen unless it's a potential for like a multi-million-dollar judgment or settlement. And I just want to add one thing. When these lawyers take these cases on contingency and they lose, they don't just walk away with nothing. It's not just that they didn't get anything. They actually end up losing a lot, because even if they didn't pay that much in costs or experts, because they'll cover those too, they still lose their time. And having represented myself so many times, I know that it is not something that you can just really quickly just slap together and just go to court on. It takes a lot of time, so many hours. So just keep in mind, they're not just coming out with zero. They're coming out with negative something. They're actually they're better off if they would have just never taken the case. So anyway, that's why contingencies are so rare. That's also why they take a big percentage. It's just because they take all the risk and you take almost none. You don't start to take any risk until offers of judgment start getting sent your way, and that's something I covered in a previous video, and I explained why. So anyway, with that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video.